this week assignment, we're going to create a menu, a recipe menu. As you can see in the screen, we have seven seven options for this application. So let's start with the main function, main method. Here we have the cases here. The first function is create tables. We're going to create tables and add recipes and list these recipes. And the next function, which is set current recipe, display on the screen, and we have display current recipe details. We can see the current recipe prep time, cook time, and add some notes, add ingredients to this current recipe, and update this recipe details. And the last, which is delete the recipe. We don't want to forget for the exit function. So let's run this program and see how that goes. Java application. Let's make this bigger so we can see. Okay. Where is that going? Here we go. Okay. So here we can see the recipe manager placed on the screen. So let's start with the first one is create and populate all tables. We can see here it's connected. Let's go to the next option, which is add a recipe. So I'm gonna add, what am I gonna add? Let's add shrimp. So yeah, I'm going to enter the name of the recipe and put add for 3 people, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. If you want to add cooked, well, if you want to add some notes, and either it's an optional option, so we are going to put. So here we add, you can see it's connected and it was added successfully. So let's list the recipes here. The next option, here we have all the recipes in this menu. These are mostly all Palestinian food. So we added shrimp here. We can see it was the servings and the time. So let's go select a current recipe. We're going to put any option we want. The ID of this option, the ID of the option is put 7. And one of my favorites. And here we can see all the information. Dawalia, servings 8 people, 90 minutes, 20 minutes, and the best food ever. That's if the notes we wanted to add. So let's do add ingredient. So we're going to put 5. Ingredient name. Let's put to this ingredient, let's put little pieces of meat. Pieces of meat. Okay. Now we see it was added, enter, and ingredient little piece of meat would be added to Diwali. Okay, now if we want to update, let's do 6. A new recipe. Let's fix that. That's not how you spell it, so we're going to fix it now. Same thing, and we do not want to add any notes, so let's put that. Don't want notes. So currently selected recipe Diwali, so it was fixed. Let's go and see how, if it was fixed or not. Here, yes, it was. See, that was changed. Okay, the last option, which is delete, let's put 7. And we want to delete, for example, fries. Let's put 11. Yes. Was deleted. So That is for, let's see, let's, last one, let's list and see if it's, yes, it was deleted. So you can see it's gone from here. So this is for my project today, and thank you for your time.